Hey everybody, I'm Sarah and you're watching Sarah Sweets. Hey everybody, welcome back to Sarah Sweets. Today we are going to be making healthy peanut butter cookies. You're going to start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees. Let's get started. You're going to start by combining your dry ingredients. You have 1/2 cup of peanut butter, ¾ teaspoon of baking soda, 3 tablespoons of oat flour, 1/3 cup of sugar, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. And you're going to mix all of these ingredients until combined. So I know that oatmeal flour is not very popular, so if you don't have it on hand at home, all you need to do is take some Quaker oatmeal or any dry oatmeal that you have and blend it in a NutriBullet or a chopper. Next, you are going to be adding 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm using clear vanilla extract, however you can use the non-clear vanilla extract because it results in the same way. I really like my cookies soft, so I'm going to refrigerate these cookies for about an hour. If you like your cookies to be a little more firmer, then just leave it out and roll it into a ball and put it in the oven.